Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to customize bullet points in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with your Google account, your business or working email, or click on the more options wherein you can use your Apple, your Facebook, and then you are all set. Now, once you are here on your Squarespace account, you can customize bullet points using the CSS or cascading style sheets. Now, to access that option, you might need to go to the custom CSS editor. And from there, all you're going to do is click on the design and then select custom CSS, because from there, this will open your CSS editor where you can add your custom styles. Now, for us to be able to customize the bullet points, you first need to identify the CSS class or ID associated with the element containing the bullet points. Now, you can do this by inspecting the page using your browser's developer tools. And from there, in your keyboard, you might want to click on the F12. So you can identify the CSS class or ID, and then obviously you can write custom CSS to the style of the bullet point. As you can see, we are in the style sections. These are the colors and a lot more information. And again, you would use, or we would be using the following CSS code. All right, I'm gonna show you down that, and we will put all the CSS code here in the description later. Now, from here, you can put all this information, the CSS editor, all of it. Now, you can change the bullet points for specific font styles too. And we're gonna be covering that in a separate tutorial. Now, if you feel this is a little bit cluttered, you might want to click on the Open in New Window, wherein this is going to be a better way for you to customize all the information in customizing or creating a customized bullet points in Squarespace. And from here, you can add more information such as right here. You can put all of these information. And once you've done that, all you're going to do is exit the custom CSS editor window. And then the changes will be reflected once you save it, right? You would easily see it on this one. You might want to click on the X right here. Now, if you encounter any problems with your custom CSS files here in the editor, and the changes are not reflecting, you might want to click on refresh for the website, or you might want to delete the cache on your browser settings, because sometimes there are bugs or glitches that's hindering the effects in your website. You might want to click on that to make sure that you have put the right code for the custom CSS. Otherwise, the changes would not reflect here for your adding a custom bullet points. Okay? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.